my name is Whitney and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by. Here on Perfected Imperfection, I share my thoughts with you on things like makeup, fashion, and lifestyle topics. I also do reviews and tutorials, so if that sounds fun to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon and turn on all your notifications. I would super appreciate it. Today, we're going to be discussing the Ice Cream Dream Palette from Glamlite, so let's get started. I'm so excited to show you all this collection. The Ice Cream Dream collection is from the brand Glamlite. I personally have never tried anything from Glamlite, but they are known for their food-themed palettes. Glamlite was founded by Giselle Hernandez, who immigrated to the United States from the Caribbean. Growing up, Giselle, like so many of us, encountered bullying and was shamed because of her body weight and really struggled to feel beautiful based on society standards. Because of that, Giselle decided to create a cosmetic brand where everyone would feel welcome, represented, and accepted. I love that motto for sure. Before diving into this collection, I wanted to share with y'all my favorite place to get ice cream. I am from Kentucky, and in my opinion, and everyone else's, the best place to get ice cream is from Crank and Boom. Crank and Boom is located in Lexington, Kentucky, and they offer a wide variety of flavors. One of my favorites is their bourbon and honey ice cream. It is amazing. If you don't live locally, they do offer nationwide shipping on their website, which I will link below. I highly suggest you check them out. Alright, now let's get into this tasty looking collection. The first item we have is the Chocolate Popsicle Lip Set for $28. And just this packaging is everything. It's so cute, very realistic. It also has a little wooden handle like a normal popsicle, and it's just adorable. So yeah, I am obsessed with it. In the lip set, the first color that we have is Chocolate Chip. Now, I also love the packaging on the lipsticks themselves. They have a mirror on the side, which is so convenient when you're on the go. I always forget a mirror in my bag because I'm just a forgetful person. So the fact that it's on the side for you is so convenient. I love this shade. It's very neutral, really pretty. The next shade is our Sweet Fudge. Also makes me hungry. I love it. This has glitter reflex in this gloss. Super pretty, very nude again, very wearable, and I love it. And then the last shade is Chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? Everyone should. I know I do. So this is another nude shade. Pretty, it wasn't super opaque, but yeah, I really liked it as well. Next, we have the Strawberry Popsicle Lip Set, also for $28. Again, super cute packaging for this one as well. Makes me crave ice cream. Also has the wooden handle on it too. You slide it up and then you get to reveal your lip glosses. The first lip gloss we have is Strawberry Shortcake, a super pale pink. It's so cute. I am obsessed with this shade. I think anyone could really pull off this color, so yeah, love it. Then the next shade is Strawberry Sherbet, kind of a purple with blue reflex. I also love this one too. I didn't think I was going to like it, but it looks really good in the swatches, so can't wait to play with this. And then the last shade is Berrylicious, a beautiful bright kind of magenta. I don't know about this one. I don't know how it will look on me, but I'm sure this would look beautiful on others. Maybe just not me. But I do love the color though as well. Now we are going to be talking about the ice cream cone lip glosses. They are $12 each, and this packaging, I don't know which one I'm more obsessed with. I don't know if I'm obsessed more with this packaging or the Popsicle packaging. I'm kind of thinking it's this one though. But the first lip gloss that we have is the Cookies and Cream Ice Cream Cone Lip Gloss. This just makes me hungry. Like, I'm gonna eat ice cream after this for sure. The lip gloss itself is beautiful. Maybe one of my favorites. It's just kind of clear with a lot of glitter reflex in it. And I'm obsessed. It just looks so cute. The next one after that is the Caramel Ice Cream Cone Lip Gloss. Do you say caramel, caramel, or caramel? Let me know in the comments down below. I go back and forth. I say them all. Since I told you I'm from Kentucky, we say what we want, how we feel. So I use all of them. The lip gloss itself is a beautiful brown with some gold reflex in it. I love this one too. And next, last but not least, is the Strawberry Ice Cream Cone Lip Gloss. Same adorable packaging. Of course, on the top, obviously, they just change the colors with whichever one, cookies and cream, caramel, and strawberry. And then the lip gloss of this one is a nude pink. Very wearable, this one as well. But I am kind of thinking that cookies and cream is my favorite of these. This collection came with 3 sets of lashes. All of them are $12 each. Now, I mentioned in my first video, lashes are not necessarily my thing, but if they're your thing, then you might want to check these out. The first set is the Chocolate Taco Lashes. Packaging is so adorable. I remember eating like these chocolate tacos growing up in my mall. So super yummy. And then here is the lashes themselves. Very fluffy. That's how I describe lashes, is fluffy. I don't know what you all describe them as, but that's what I do. And then we have the ice cream sandwich lash. Looks like a cute, adorable little ice cream sandwich. And then these lashes are a bit bigger than the other ones. They kind of flare out, have a little more volume in them. And last but not least, the ice cream cookie sandwich eyelash. Lots of sandwiches and these eyelashes. And then you open this one up, and that is what these ones look like. Eyelashes are not my thing, like I have said, but I wanted to show them for you all in case you were interested in purchasing them. And last, but certainly not least, is the Ice Cream Dream Palette, which is $45 and has 30 shades, very reasonable price. And this came in this cute little ice cream truck. They wanted everyone to feel like they got PR, and I just love that so much. And then you open it up, and it came inside the little ice cream truck. And I'm obsessed. This whole packaging for this collection has been just the cutest ever. And then the palette itself, it has little sprinkles in it which move, and I just think that that is adorable. And then we open the palette up and just wow, you know, it's so colorful, and the shimmer shades in here, oh my goodness. From the swatches, as you can see, they just look amazing, and I cannot wait to play around with this palette. Now I'm going to go and try out all these products, and when I come back, I will give you my final thoughts.
like to kiss you, desperately kiss you, like I did in 1993. Summers came, years passed by, but I can still hear us singing. Together, and I remember each and every day. Still want to kiss you, desperately kiss you again, to feel that way.
And I am back, and this is my finished look. What do you all think? When I was looking at this palette, I don't know, I just was really attracted to the green shades in here and then the yellow, so that is what I decided to use. Whenever I did swatches too, the birthday cake shade really stood out to me, so I wanted to do something with that shade for sure. But the shades I used mint chocolate, green tea, birthday cake, mango on the lower lash line, and lemon on the lower lash line. And I just concentrated the glitter kind of in the center of my eye. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But yeah, I like it. Now, just as a side note on my eyes, I did use the Tarteist mascara. And on my lower lash line, I used the ColourPop BFF mascara in the shade Kiss and Teal. So I love that combination. And I also used NYX gel liner on my waterline. And yeah, now as far as the lip products go, I used the matte liquid lip chocolate. I really liked it. It was really comfortable. It dried down pretty quick, but it didn't dry down and feel really rough on the lips, so I really liked that. And then I used Super Fudge lip gloss over top of that, and I liked the combination. And that was a part of the chocolate Popsicle Lip Set for $28, so highly recommend that. The palette, $45. I think that is a great deal. You get 30 shades. All of the shimmer metallic shades in here swatched beautifully. Now the mattes, you know, they were okay. They did blend out well on my eye, but I definitely took a bit to build them up with pigment, so just something to note there. Also, there was quite a bit of fallout in the pan, as well as a little underneath my eye. I figured that would happen, so that's why I powdered underneath my eye to catch all that fallout. So just something to note there. Also, in some of the lip glosses, it's kind of like they tried to make them scented, but it didn't quite go so well. So it smells interesting. It smells like makeup, but mixed with like special scents. Like some smelled like chocolate in makeup and others smelled like vanilla in makeup. I just think that they could have done without the scent because it just created kind of a weird, I don't know about it, thing. So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Overall, I'm obsessed with this collection. It is super cute. I liked most of the products, so that's awesome. Definitely highly recommend the palette. Again, you know, the mattes, you can build and work with them, but for all the shades that you get, and it's just super fun. You get it in the cute little ice cream truck PR box, and for $45, I think that's a really, really good deal. So try to snag that if you can. And these lip sets, Really, really liked them too. And the glosses, I mean, okay, I just liked it all, pretty much. The eyelashes, you know, who knows? They look good. So try those out if you like eyelashes. But yeah, I think that is about it. Well, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me here on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on all your notifications so you'll know as soon as I upload my next video. But most importantly, always remember, imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Bye, y'all.